We're about to fly in the bendo.
You know what I mean?
Yes, we are. We going in the bendo. Yes, we are. But we can still fly, right?
Of course.
Yeah.
There's like 8 groups of people. Yeah, I know.
Oh,
Landed over there.
I hate this. I hate this.
I'm just like in awe right now. I want to sit down because you know how I feel about heights.
The first time I flown this thing, well, especially in the simulator, boy, I was nauseous as hell. I guess because I was flipping and turning.
So how you like it so far, bro?
Oh, it's cool. You know what I mean? Like, I heard about it. I was like,
It's like it's a new way of flying.
It
you know?
is.
It's
Holy shit. Oh, watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out.
I'm gonna film you.
Holy shit.
What do you think, Jeff?
I was saying, me and you can't
This
see
is
in the
nuts,
comments.
man.
They all know what's going on.
You just like right there. Oh, I see the H point. Oh my goodness.
I almost gave you a wet willy and you didn't even know.
A wet willy. Nah, don't do that. All right, hold on. This is so cool.
We're doing stuff to you. See if you can do a field goal, Chris.
3 points. That's Chris the field.
Hey, Mr. Cochette. It's a shit-tastic day now.
Fly High FPV about to try the DJI FPV for the first time. Check it out.
2 miles away. Move your left a couple steps.
We are at the second bendo. Let's dive right into it. Let's go, guys. Hotel Bendo Conquer. Done.
He said 4:30.
Shut down.
Yeah. Let's go to the Mr. Steel location.
Let's go. And we're about to retrieve the quad that that Ken just crashed. Oh. Oh.
I couldn't help you on that.
You okay?
You went in water, you son of a. That sucks.
We got it. We got the quad back. So this is what happens when you fly a quad into a window. All right, so we're still here ripping quads and
That roll over into that subplane, dude. I know I've been practicing that.
still here. So we're here practicing some FPV. All the velocity drone drone simulator. So people are still here flying FPV and ripping. So today is a good day. I am Jeff with